It was for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like a comment, subscribe, turning on notification so that anytime video bit is away, yeah, the 2 miles sound back. It was
baby I duru no. It na me ba board yi so no. Kwame, this divinity no shifty eja humanity asase ne waters no. Na adema ko hu ni say divinity in the beginning God created it number 1 ne ye osoro. Divinity ye 1. 2026 ye number 1. 2026 20 2 6 8 now they abeka 2 you now say 10 no way you 1 no way you 1 2026 ye number 1 say ye ntimi ye klini ye waters no masters no anya energy anhwe omo anim anhwe wiase amaye na stars ni depart sky depart moon no depart say come on before 2026 do you know what is going to happen omo be depart no mo depart we are 2026 year 1 mama ntwe word bi nkyerem ebi abeya wo ya pa sa me kasa kan sa de 1 2 3 4 5 na me boa
yeah 5 F
1 2 3 4
quick 5
next year as I say wo so betu esi Ghana
identity
because ewie we yase no ahode na kura wie na sene mu no osoro ne asase na aka bom no triangle we edwane ko because stars ni hu omo anim moon ni hu omo anim baby hu omo anim because of water bodies
no
yes sen enti ebeka plants no kwame edwane ebeka plants ebeka minerals and ebeka this earth nimi ense shia automatically as wususi because plants na nkasa ye kotwadua yesi brebre no mo dikosua ne ye pattern ansa ne ye twanya sase ka be dey ebetwawo minerals obiye ni ho oye minerals ekwachi so oye broni so oye hwan ya enkum nipa agimoja okola meka tino no galamse ni adade ni nyina no agimoja ana sase we no so ankasa no asaya do certain level bi ne miensa be start se ekon the plants the minerals and the earth ni nyina be start se ekon se ni nyina start se ekon as above so below no enya dwuma eti osoro ni be dwane agya asase no so 2026 before December se oban pani tie mi a yan show bibi enkini waters ni nyina na nanom engun sansan ewura 2026 which is number 1 earthquake 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ukabom a 10 we zero film number 1 asase wo so betimi esi Ghana kwa be de metimi aka no
because of said ye yenhwe yensuo no ne niema na asase no ye treat ntino
yeah eti osuru ni dwane ga asase no
so what do we do now
and one of our culture no president in show good will on things already within 3 months and ibete nana munsa other than that you wura one ni mu a asase wo so the number ye 1 and my culture no so as wo so number ye 1 me kire wo huni
mahu na say ye kon 1 num
ye kon 1 2026 number 1 2
plus 0
plus 2 4 plus 6 10 no is 0 free earthquake okay yeah 10
okay and then galam say di enya pa o
kwame obu discover head yeah me sure
president abi was nipa 4 million over 4 million and galam say the chance na ko na din na we are sitting on a time bomb
kese pa na yete so na kwame wonu say 2026 sase wo so si New Zealand esi US esi Venezuela esi sin kro bebiri 2025 2024 na me research bi amaye no kwame ade a eboa oman Ghana ade a eboa oman Ghana your planet your friend Venus Venus, the hottest planet, a hot ship. Now the number is 6. The number is 6, no, and me and your diagram win. And I'm your diagram win. Enti, no matter what, or don't they crack Ghana, no, and that's who crack Ghana. Planet Venus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh crap. Sir, are you we? We have Ghana to swear. Nature say, yeah, don't you know, nature, and a divinity, and the crack Ghana. See, I see in pa 2026, and you're number 1. We supposed to enjoy because you have bread 2025, which is number 9. Now I say, you enjoy pa, but Kwame, the air corner, and your tumor.
Well, I know say one and you be free accident in this house.
And you been see one. Wouldn't say 1 year divinity, one. Asia for friend home. Connected to universe, God direct. And to Obikura number 1, see I want the first, see I want the 10th, see I want 28. Any idea? Or ya dure nye ye ontimi onya ba ye ba osun ya na nyame ate oso nso wo so no di dware na ankan chanse a de yare ye beko sesi a awie abodo so ye nhyira ba one man ki ye bewuram no a ani giye wo mu no me hu so padifo yi wo mani eti diagram wo ya wo hu ni sa no kwa me diagram ni mu ti na na me de be kira de bi so so wa sa diagram ni mu ti ni ti no automatically so sa diagram no emu tiniti no osoro jai asase ne de amaye na kwa me se wotie mi ya be se ebeka plant no ebeka plant some mineral resource no ena de be any earth ni mi ansa carbon na ko a automatically next year as we so be
ba bia e gira de weti aka de say a word to the wise is enough when zafo ebunu be en kana sem konfoboni o se kromo no otimu bi se bi ye tia ne nsem a ye chemu no ne se ye nyina ebetimi atu anamon na aboa ye nyina nti ba bia waka duaye let's hold that one there na ye hwe actions and benefo beti kenra meti se minister abeka bibi lands and natural resource minister abeka bibi about this illegal mining ne won niam ekozo we wish and pray say ye nyina betumi aye bibi na atumi aboa ye nyina ti we ye bo hom pae na ye hu se de betia. Now let's move on to the other calculations and now pay obeye e de amaye na ye nko yanim.
Look at the results in 7 regions of this country. In 7 regions, our presidential candidate did not win a single constituency. In 7 regions of this country, our presidential candidate did not win a single constituency. Not one. I'm talking about presidential. Our candidate did not win a single constituency in 7 regions. In Western region, the MPP's Western region, he won 1. The whole of Western region, he won 1 constituency with less than 500 votes. In Central region, he won 2 constituencies. Almighty Greater Accra, he won only 2 constituencies. All of the North we lost. His promise of winning the Zongo vote for us, we lost every Zongo except Efutu Zongo. Think about it. Every Zongo in this country we lost except Efutu Zongo. 1. And then we talk about it, we educate the delegates, and then what we hear, I can't know it.
NPP Dangote, Brian Champon. NPP Dangote, at this point, research team no, I'm disappointed. In fact, say what you are more capable, say what you paying na, pay away to you, and say what you need because I'm disappointed. Or say 2024 election no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Lucy was 7 regions a constituency beyond that region ni beyond Dr. Lucy wo. But Dangote, this is not the first time I be say yes to the New Patriotic Party. Mama found 1996. In 1996, say ye can and na ye wo 16 regions ya ye de ba and na ya papa kofo elusi 8 regions constituency under sa 8 regions ni bia kofo lusi wo hono then so ye nya ye papa kofo mu gidie assign de ne baaye e ma ne be ye Ghana man penny 2000 so we enye news ye papa na ado dan kwa akofo ado guy ado play mine ye de ne ba 208 olusi ye 2012 ye de ne baaye in 2012 ye papa ado di so elusi was 6 regions sa 6 regions no constituency bi under sa 6 regions no bi anana do lusi ye enti se ye papa lusi ye papa kofo lusi 8 regions na se otimi be di Ghana man penny from 2000 to 208 ye papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia so alusi 7 regions enye news obetimi aba be di man penny 2029 amana yeye enti we ensesa hwe enye news. This is not the first time we see what the new patriotic party mo and this is not the first time we see what Ghana ha enti ano na nkyere say enwo say ye di Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ba biem. In fact ubegina ho adangote kade ubetimi aye na attack ni ye too much ye no binum ye respect so but in fact attack no ye too much attack ne so ade ba no kra bi anim ye tro kontompo na research sim no mu di kire na wo so wo ka so 8 ne 7 de ayi na so enti ya papa kofo atumi alusi 8 regions se na ye de ba enemu a we lusi 8 region in 1996 na papa kofo atumi abaye president na ya na ado danko Akufo-Addo 2012 we lusi 6 regions na watumi abaye mampani for 8 years aye the best president ever Ghana ha yenya Edian na chese Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia lusi 7 regions inti ontime mba ye Ghana mampani ene de eno no enye news eno no ensesa hwe DMB for 2028 win with Bawumia aka 9 pe olusi 7 regions no de enya 41.75% aka 9 pe na Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia abeye president enti DMB ne de ye de ne beba nne ye de ne beba china ye de ne beba dani dan nyinala 2028 Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia be diaba wo Ghana ha inshallah 2029 obeye Ghana president obe dia nkonwa wo Ghana ha say because ya papa kofo abe diaba enya the first time obaye no weni ye obaye no lusi ye ya papa ado danko Akufo-Addo the first time obaye olusi ye 208 olusi ye so still 202 of olusi ye 22 of olusi ye so wabetimi abaye mampani for 8 good years Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia so betimi abaye Ghana mampani for 8 years enti we ensesa hwe ye dom win with Bawumia or say den or say
Ghana for nyina nim say Canada Japan ye traitor oba MPP bu na o hwe obi o ye Judasa ono ane Canada Japan. Now the funny thing is say the social media and the followers don't frantically they've been trying to find another person na ya belebu ni so no so ye traitor say na Canada Japan e benya partner but emfa na me gidi say mu ko social media mu sa propaganda we ya Canada Japan the followers and basically Nkame responded to such childish, scruffy and unintelligent propaganda. But Nintia may respond and say, by way of this propaganda, no, Canada Japan followers are mama who must have been fancy corner mean time. In fact, all my established gallo same hanging was so. Na mo kai Bible sending him establish a gallo say yen sign Mordecai was one at the end of the day no knew him and Angasana yes sign was so no. That is basically what is going to happen in Tinya Boteneshi video no one could see. Na a presentation we measure siama what a propaganda, the actual propaganda, these unintelligent dudes of social media. Miria na fi malay fact in a bed to expose all the misrepresentation of fact in a and try womb. Miria na fi ma hangi can a Japan kasa with Oman kasa Oman no asem. Ntinya botre. Yen shasem. Now, omo propaganda omo yen say in 2024. Muntin you in 2024. almost say NLA and Samia Ukudano. Emma NDC MP for Adenta 50,000 Ghana cedis. Scanning you 50,000 Ghana cedis, chicken chain 50,000 Ghana cedis. Say one fan koto motorbikes, no farmer Ghana police for no more farm buying a year Adenta municipality for them. No almost say NDC MP no Samira Nya. Inti Sadi we yinjina so na yen fan crucify Dr. Baobia. Almost Sadi we Emma Samira ye traitor. Emma Dr. Baomia a traitor. Now you see, as stupid as this sounds, they are making this argument. Now, yensha facts in Ankasa. Niedi kind, sa adiwe NC 2024. One picture now that's hormone. In fact, it's one of Canada Japan boys that we used to say do account to social media and they post here. Obesha woman in no smiles. In 2024, no be no smiles. Into a seminal NC in 2024. What happened was that in 2021, Anna MP actual letter Ekoma Samia Ukuse robbery any some burglary activities Kosovo Adentan municipality na Jin 7. In fact, NLA staff no more chroma your victims, some are affected. NLA Juma for a normal tea denta more a company bungalow, homobe ban and near Buomo than near you or near money at the adem. Into a short letter and a comma Samia Ukuno. And as I say, why not Sadi way, ya my home, NDC wa Bema, or may be my MPP MPs. Or call baby to say GMPC and this will be my MPP MPs or much call for support. So as soon as NLA in time pass or my boy MPP MPs. So it's not bad. Another way it's for the general good, it's for the general security of a yard and time municipality. Why not? Yeah. I know my MP no 50,000 Ghana cedis. Say one farm tour a year motorbikes. No farm Ghana police for 50,000 Ghana cedis and yes in 2022, early 2022, Anna MP Nico yes our donation no Emma Adenta municipality police who are honum. Now we share screenshot here or a poster UTV4 a make here in 2022, early 2022. What's your comment section on the cry? Or more comment here no as far back as 3 years ago. So we can never be saying it was during 2024 elections and then Samia Ukuma Nesaisikam. Now near Tosubi Mo so what you and say Samia Uku and farm mano because they say Samira Baomiania. And I want farm mano because they say NDC MP. And I want farm mano also for election purposes. Maka said 2021 or the mano 2021 now there wasn't any elections. And I've established so say MPP MPs NDC wa be mo almost womunya support and a trite a BBI or honum bonibia enim. Now tie we yi Samira Baomia onye adwuma wo NLA. Sanso na Dr. Baomia no onye adwuma wo NLA. And there is no established fact to say Samira Baomia and Dr. Baomia put in a word for a year MP no NDC MP no for them to give that MP that support. So none of them can be blamed. None of them can be said to be a traitor and I say Judas whatsoever in MPP. It is an argument and I am collaging Nyansa be a nim moon reason sending a Marco school. Moon Cassati sebi munimu de monomon quine and a jomocoda modasumi moso diapa. Mamon Cassasem collar. Now, ya set a records na evidum. Yentie we a important. The principle like Canada Japan in the followers or my labor and say Sawubwa NDC ni against MPP, especially when it has to do with elections and what direct consequences on elections are. I see a chumwa boso. I see a double to social media near chumwa boso palm. Necessary MPP mono or election mayan twa bama. That is the principle they've established. But this case, Yahoo said they didn't give that help to NDC person and as an MP as an MP for NDC, but it was for the general good and it wasn't for election purposes. Now, Yensha Canada Japan in 2023-2024, it's on record say Canada Japan spent millions to fund NDC parliamentary candidates. A classic example here, na Koyo to unseat Hawakumsen. Another one, a NDC MP, Muslim year, Okotu, era, Henry Corte. Kennedy Japan deliberately, he's on record to have said, say, on pena, on pay, how a kumsi asem, on pay Henry Corte asem, his own supporting. So he will fight against them. And we have records to prove, say, of the NDC parliamentary candidates, for them to unseat MPs. Aside, I don't know. Kennedy Japan is working with Mahama and Abai directly and on commerce and on criticize. In fact, Kennedy Japan followers are defending Mahama and Abai gidi social media. We all saw Abua Papua Kasama Kennedy Japan. The things he's been saying against MPP for Galamsey expose Mahama Nena Abai and Trauma try and the deceive Ghana for a G to me. So on that basis, on that premise, MPP delegates Muntieni Kennedy Japan is a traitor, he is a Judas in MPP. And he should be punished at the polls. And because or not directly FND NDC. Directly he's working with NDC for and per the arguments and the followers make you on social media. Such a character, such a person does not deserve to be leading MPP. And he says here to Abamano, Monto Abantiano, Monto Abama Dr.